Viewers, as the winters start to set in, the air that we breathe is becoming toxic day by day. The Delhi emergency, as we call it, is getting severe day by day. Now, to battle the ongoing woes, Delhi government is going to hold a review meet this morning after air pollution level touched severe category. Now, Delhi residents today as well woke up to severe air quality this morning and a dense fog blanket for the second day in a row. Remember, Delhi's air quality tanked days before Diwali and has not recovered since then. Most top pollutant areas remain Parpadganj, Anand Vihar, Ashok Vihar. These are the key areas where the air quality is above 470, nearly touching 500 mark, which is the hazardous category. And hence, on NDTV, we are calling time for action. When will the action plan and the steps taken by the government result in some relief for the people remains to be seen. However, the key meeting that the Delhi government will again hold today at 11 o'clock will be to prepare further action plan as air quality continues to dip in the national capital. But not just the national capital, the neighboring areas of the national capital like Noida, Gurugram, they are also witnessing a low air quality index. Severe air quality persists in several parts. My colleague Ishika is joining me for more details about how the Delhi government is preparing to conduct a meeting and what action can be taken in this meeting. Take us through those updates, Ishika.
Well, in fact, as you rightly mentioned, we are seeing that for the second day straight, the air quality index here in the national capital continues to be in the severe category. Now, first, let me show you the visuals, in fact, that we are getting you from central Delhi. My camera person Arun Singh Negi is trying to show you the pollution, the smog that you can see in the air. And in fact, also on one side, we'll like to show you that the measures, that you can see on the ground that is being taken. You can see the water sprinklers on the road. But the question persists that is it in fact, too little too late? Now, today we are seeing that the Environment Minister Gopal Rai in fact has called for a review meeting after the air quality currently is in 426, that is in the severe category. And after that, we'll have to wait and watch as to what more measures and directions are given from his side to the ministry officials and to the teams that have been formed to be on the ground and to ensure the implementation. But let me tell you, on the other hand, if we talk about CAQM, yesterday a meeting was called by CAQM and CAQM in fact termed it as an episodic event. They said that they are going to keep a close watch for few days and then in fact they are going to invoke the graded response action plan stage 3. But here the real question remains that even if we talk about those measures that are already in place, the implementation of that is still in question, and that is why we are seeing that there is absolutely no relief for the residents here in the national capital. Over to you.